G'day, I'm Brett. Defender owners will know that rattles can drive you crazy. One source of a lot of rattles is the dash binnacle. The plastic becomes old and brittle and the mounting tabs snap off and the screw holes crack away, allowing the dash to bounce around on corrugations. So to fix this permanently, I'm upgrading to a Raptor Engineering dash binnacle. This is an exact replica, but made from metal. So it's built to last a lifetime. It's finished in black powder coating. Now this is the standard version, but deluxe versions are available with anodized silver or black bezels for the front. These can be purchased later if desired, if you wish more bling on your vehicle. So it comes with a mounting kit, which includes button head, hex screws, and the key. So let's have a go at installing this and banishing these rattles permanently. For easier access, you may want to remove the steering wheel. To do that, pry off the Land Rover badge with a screwdriver and mark the steering wheel position, then undo the big nut. I'm going to try and leave it on first, just so I have less work to do. For the dash, you have 2 screws in the side and 2 underneath. I only have 2 screws in the side remaining. You can see how this has cracked away quite a lot, so there's not much holding the dash on anymore.
Lift up the dash and squeeze the speedometer clip firmly. This may take some work and it can be quite stiff. Begin unplugging the cables. Deep down behind the dash you'll find a multi-plug adapter for the gauges. Undo this to make removal easier.
The dash is off, so my removal was a little more complicated, as over the years I've added additional circuits as well as aftermarket gauges, which has changed the connection points. But all the wires I've labelled some, and the rest I've taken photographs with my camera so I can check back and see which wire goes where. So that's probably a 15-minute job for me. So let's take this into the workshop and get these gauges swapped over.
Undo 2 screws for the warning light module. I'm giving everything a clean as I go. Undo 2 hex screws from the Raptor Binnacle, then reinstall. To remove the speedometer, remove 2 nuts and the holding arms, then push the gauge forward out the front. Begin swapping over the other gauges and do the wiring as you go.
So everything's all swapped over now. You can see the state of the cracks on the old one. It's got both sides cracked out, plus a tab missing on the bottom. Even a crack in the front face where the instrument panel goes. So it's highly recommended if you're going to install the upgraded binnacle that you upgrade the binnacle mount as well to the steel unit. A plastic one will probably break under the extra weight because there is a bit more weight here now. So to do that you need to remove 4 bolts, a side bit for your dash and the blower motor wiring. And that should just slip straight in then, and then you can fit one of these ready to go.
Fit 2 captive nuts from the kit to the binnacle mount and loosen off the tabs for later adjustment. Also fit 2 captive nuts to the bottom tabs of the binnacle. Rewire the gauges, double checking all connections are correct, then maneuver the binnacle into place.
Now I use the additional 4 screws that come with the kit to bolt it up. And the installation is complete. All the dash is rewired, connected. The dash is rock solid. It's basically mounted through the binnacle mount to the firewall, so it's pretty strong. The black powder coating is quite bright looking from what I'm used to, but it's quite a nice updated look. Otherwise, I'm quite happy. It's a simple modification Takes about a day to do. Cool. Thanks for watching.
Did you enjoy this video? Then please click subscribe and share it on Facebook and Twitter. If you'd like to help support me create new videos, then please consider becoming a Patreon. Click on the Patreon button on the screen now. Thanks.